Quick question. Which fuel secretly powers everything you touch today? Your lights, your car, your breakfast, and probably your existential dread. Trick question. It's not one, it's 9. And today, we're speed running all of them with science, jokes, and mild chaos. Crude oil. Meet the world's main character. Crude oil powers cars, planes, ships, plastics, and every political argument your uncle has on Facebook. Around 30% of world energy. #1 transportation fuel. Dramatic? Absolutely. Important? More than your Wi-Fi router. Natural gas. It cooks your spaghetti, heats your home, and powers tons of electricity plants. Cleaner than coal, but still very much a fossil fuel with commitment issues. Big for heating, major electricity source globally. Think of it as the sibling who tries to look responsible but still sneaks emissions out the back door. Coal. Coal is older than dinosaurs and somehow still working full-time.
Back in my day, we powered the whole Industrial Revolution.
Still huge for steel, long-time #1 for electricity. Dirty? Yes. Done? Absolutely not. Nuclear. This tiny pellet can produce more energy than a bucket of coal. Clean, powerful, reliable, and misunderstood like the quiet kid who destroys everyone in math class. Extremely low carbon. High energy density. Biomass. Wood, pellets, plant leftovers. Humans have been burning biomass since the first guy said, "I'm cold." Heating, power in rural areas, cooking in off-grid regions. It's renewable as long as we don't go full chainsaw maniac. Biofuels. Ethanol, biodiesel, basically the smoothie section of the energy world.
Mixed with gasoline or diesel, your car gets to sip a vegetable latte.
Used in transport, made from crops. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is clean at the point of use. It emits only water vapor. It's perfect for industry, trucks, and futuristic fuel cells. It's also perfect at floating away from your budget. Electricity. Electricity powers your phone, laptop, EV, fridge, toaster, gaming addiction, basically your entire existence. But here's the twist. Electricity isn't a fuel. It's the middleman. We generate it from everything else, made from coal, gas, nuclear, solar, wind, getting cleaner every year. Renewables. Solar, wind, geothermal, clean, fast-growing, and no emissions. They're basically the Avengers of energy without the billion-dollar CGI budget. Fastest growing sources, prices dropping, key to decarbonization.